Marriage is not built on handsomeness. It's part of it. You want to marry. If your physical look is on the physical look of the man, physical look of the woman, it's okay. But that is not the bedrock for an enjoyable marriage. Marriage is not built on connection. This person I want to marry, I've seen somebody I'm going to marry, she's connected to so and so person. She's connected to the governor of the state. She's connected to the ambassador that is sent to UK. She's connected or is connected. That is an ironic view. It is not the pillar building view of marriage. Marriage is also not built on what we call sanctimonial family background. It's not actually built on that. I want to marry this young lady because she came up from a wonderful background. Her parents are, they are well-known. Her parents or his parents have a household name. And so I want to marry him. I want to marry her. If it's okay. But that is not really, it's an ironic view. Marriage is not built on academic achievement or attainment. I'm going to marry this young man because he has gone to school, she has gone to school. He's a graduate. I've come across some persons who tell me, I'm not going to marry anybody who is not a graduate. And I asked them, are you a graduate? This one said, I'm not a graduate, but I must marry a graduate. Okay. So the measurement of a successful relationship or measurement of a successful marriage is like connected to academic attainment. Without that, no, it's an ironic view. I'm not saying that is not good. No, I didn't say so. But if that is your yardstick measurement to obtainable marriage or successful marriage, no, you missed it. I've seen several marriages who have gone into that, and today there is nothing to write about it.